You aren't late to the AI revolution. You are just looking at it the wrong way. Forget ChatGPT. I'm talking about a machine that builds wealth while you ignore it. The era of working hard is over. The era of working smart has just been automated. Most people think AI is just for chatting, but in 2026, it is the engine of a digital empire. If you are still trading your time for money, you are leaving a fortune on the table. Today, we are going deep. I will show you the exact blueprint to build an invisible passive income ecosystem that runs 24/7 without you. No employees, no office, just pure automated intelligence. It starts with data. Most businesses fail because they guess. We don't guess, we mine. By using advanced AI research agents, you can scan thousands of US market trends in seconds. These tools identify high-demand niches and low-competition keywords before the rest of the world even wakes up. You aren't just looking for a job, you are identifying a digital asset. Once you have the data, the AI takes over the creative process. From generating high-converting blog posts for your Blogger site to creating professional video scripts like this one. But the real magic is in the integration. We connect these tools to automate the workflow. While you drink your morning coffee, your AI is already drafting, SEO optimizing, and scheduling your content for the entire week. The final piece of the puzzle is the response. In 2026, speed is currency. Automated customer service systems handle inquiries, process sales, and manage leads with 100% accuracy. Your business becomes a living, breathing machine that provides value and collects revenue while you sleep. This isn't a dream, it's a system. Your digital empire doesn't require a miracle, it requires a start. The tools are here, the strategy is ready, and the opportunity is yours. Don't let another year pass by just watching others succeed. Click the link in our description to access the full masterclass and join the elite who master the machine. Subscribe to the Earn Money Hub and let's build your future today. The gap between where you are and where you want to be is called action. Your empire is waiting for its architect. Will you step up?